Hello everyone, we have given 1 plus 4 equal 5, 2 plus 3 equal 8, 3 plus 2 equal 9, then 4 plus 1 equal what? So from this pattern, can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Because here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. 1 plus 4 equal 5. That's correct. Now 2 plus 3 equal 8. How? We know that 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 3 plus 2 is 5, and if we add what comes after 3, successor of 3 is 4. So this gives us 9. So 4 plus 1 is also 5, but we need to add the successor of 4, that is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So what replace the question mark? 10. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.